So I got asked a few times what a P1457 code is on a Honda Civic, so I thought I'd do a real quick basic overview of what it is and how you can go about fixing it. And so what is a Honda Civic P1457 code? It's an evaporative emission control system leak detected. A lot of OBD scan tools will give that. You can also say evap control system leakage, evap canister area, and it's an error code that the onboard computer, the ECM, gives when it detects an evap leak around the canister. So what is the most common causes of fixes? Well, number one is going to be the charcoal canister, and it's located up and underneath the rear of the vehicle, usually up like before the tires, up underneath there, and there'll be some different things with it. There'll be like a little solenoid on it and some other stuff. You can just change out that solenoid quite often, and that could be your problem. A lot of people just change out the whole unit and see if that solves the problem. But this is the number one cause right here, and what to look for is the charcoal canister. And next is the purge valve, which usually it'll give you another code, but it's related to the evap system, so it can cause that problem. So what is the purge valve? Well, the purge valve turns on and off to let the gas vapors back into the engine to be burned off. And this is what the evap system's for, so that the gas fumes don't vent into the atmosphere and cause pollution, so that they're sent back into the engine to be burnt off. And the purge valve opens when the engine's running, and it closes when the engine's off. And so if there's a problem with that, then it can cause the same issue. But like I said, it usually gives you another code, so it's not very common. Usually with the P1457, that usually means it's the charcoal canister. But keep in mind, could be the purge valve. And another thing that's not so common, but since it is part of the system, is something to keep in mind, is the gas cap, because the whole system needs a seal when the vehicle's running, so that the fumes can be fed back into the engine. And so the gas cap, if it's not closed all the way, or if it's not sealing good, could actually cause some issues there. And so those are some common fixes that if you have a Honda Civic and you get a P1457 code, what to look for. Other things, it could be just a leak somewhere, which if you do get a leak somewhere, what mechanics will do is they'll use a smoke machine, and they'll feed smoke into the evap system, and they'll find where the smoke comes out, and they'll be able to spot the leak and be able to fix it. So which you can get cheap, low-cost smoke machines on like Amazon or eBay, but they can be a little bit pricey, maybe if you're just going to do it for one job. I think they run around $100, $200. But that's basically it. If you have any questions, ask me down below and I'll try to answer them. But if this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.